Welcome back to the channel and thank you for joining us on another exciting journey where luxury meets innovation on wheels. Today we are diving into one of the most extraordinary creations in the world of motorhomes, the 2026 Bugatti RV. This is not just a motorhome, it is a futuristic masterpiece that blends Bugatti's supercar DNA with the ultimate comforts of a luxury mansion. From the moment you see it, the sleek aerodynamic design with glowing LED strips and bold Bugatti branding captures attention like no other. The massive multi-axle body rolls with power and elegance, making a statement everywhere it goes. Step inside and you're greeted with an interior that redefines luxury living. Bugatti has equipped this RV with high-end materials including fine leather, polished wood, and futuristic lighting that makes the entire cabin feel like a five-star hotel. The living space is designed to offer maximum comfort with plush sofas, a premium entertainment system, and panoramic windows that flood the interior with light during the day while glowing softly at night. The kitchen is fully modernized with top-quality appliances, ensuring that you never miss the comfort of home while traveling. The bedrooms are spacious with designer bedding and advanced climate control for ultimate relaxation. On the exterior, Bugatti's engineering brilliance shines through. The design is futuristic yet practical, ensuring smooth aerodynamics for efficiency despite the massive size. LED lighting accents make it look stunning both in daylight and in the dark, giving it a presence that feels more like a moving palace. Performance-wise, this motorhome is built with Bugatti's heritage of power in mind. It delivers impressive horsepower and handling for a vehicle of its class, ensuring that the driving experience is smooth, powerful, and secure even on long journeys. The advanced suspension system makes it feel like gliding on the road rather than driving a giant motorhome. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2026 Bugatti RV is expected to cost around $5 million, placing it firmly in the ultra-luxury category. This isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle statement meant for those who want the very best in design, comfort, and performance. With this motorhome, Bugatti has created a rolling mansion that stands apart from anything else on the road. Whether you look at its futuristic design, ultra-luxury interior, or breathtaking performance, it truly sets a new standard in motorhome luxury. This has been your inside look at the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. If you love futuristic luxury vehicles, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing reviews.